Alright guys, so this is it, man. This is the first vlog, episode 1. Behind the scenes of making the Lane Isaac TV. It's gonna be, see, this is behind the scenes stuff. I'm gonna edit it. I'm probably gonna edit it anyway, but I'm gonna walk you through the tour of the space that I'm staying at right now. Esmeralda Boutique Hotel. And I'm gonna be staying in the Villa. An American, he invested in properties in Mexico. So as I was saying before, this American, he decided to build a hotel, and this is it right here. And I actually came during COVID, and it was $13 a night. Now it's definitely not $13 a night, and I'm staying at the Villa as well. But the only thing is, we have a hurricane. All right, so this is actually the second time I filmed this, third time I filmed this, because the first time the volume was too low. The second time the volume was too high, and now I'm trying to get it just right this time. And I had some funny moments between those two takes, so we'll see what happens if I put them in. But yeah, we have a hurricane, guys, coming up, and right now it's heading to Jamaica, so prayers up to Jamaica. They got a hurricane class 4, I believe. By the time it gets to us, it's gonna be a 1. You can already feel the trade winds coming. You can see the blowing of the leaves through the vegetation. Super organic. It's a wabi-sabi type of architecture vibe here. It's Illuminati. You have a lot of voids, pockets in the spaces, peekable into the interior design. A lot of natural materials, local artisans. You see limestone on the floor and wooden handles, little natural materials like this, modernized with modern locks, right? You got the limestone tread, staircase, more natural materials. And then at nighttime, these pockets glow from the light fixtures, the inlet LEDs. And then you have the candle pockets for the candle spots. Areas like this I like. You can just peekaboo out to the public. There we go. Some cinematography for you guys. I haven't done a vlog in a while, so bear with me, guys. But yeah, the purpose of these vlogs is just to get the Lane Isaac TV monetized, and a lot of background noise, and to show you guys the behind the scenes or what it takes to make this. So I'll be doing podcasting. This is normal part. I'm recording right now. This is normal podcasting. All right. So how you feel about podcasting with me today?
About a podcast? Oh my God, I'm so nervous. It's my first podcast and I don't know what to say.
Yeah, you be fine. I'm pretty down to earth. I'm pretty chill. I make people comfortable. That's like one of my strengths. So.
Well, I don't feel comfortable. I'm so nervous, to be honest.
Really?
No, that's not true. I'm okay. I'm a little bit nervous because I don't know why I feel scared to the camera. I cannot even see the camera.
All right, how about this? Tell them what your Instagram is so they can follow you.
Oh my God, okay.
And
My
if you want to
Instagram
show
is
them.
travel with oh no. Wait, I said it wrong.
You want to
Say
show
it.
them?
Stop it. Yeah.
This is behind the scenes, so.
Okay, you're gonna do
This
it
is
right.
rough. This is like
my Instagram. If you want to know about travel, the best luxury stays, you need to follow me on this Instagram.
There you go, guys. Follow on Instagram. This is behind the scenes of the podcast. My first day in Tulum. This is where I'm staying for. I don't know. I might be in a villa a couple days after this, but I'll be doing behind the scenes. I'll be showing you the luxury spots that I'm in. And we have a hurricane coming up, so I think what we're gonna do, we have a balcony too, balcony space. That's the penthouse. So I think what we're gonna do is, the owner has a house in Playa with a backup generator, and we're gonna go there. So that way power goes out, we'll still have power from the backup generator. And my place is not staged. In the main video on Delane Isley TV, it will be staged. But this is the behind the scenes stuff. You know, we're not trying to make it look pretty. We're just showing you the process. I'm gonna be doing podcasts here, and I got my equipment set up. So if you guys seen the live the other day, you see that I didn't really have it set up, but now I do. And I'm actually editing right now, and that's me. So the owner has flown me out to 2 locations, Esmeralda Boutique Hotel and also the Villa Onyx. It's a really cool establishment. The Villa is actually really big. I think it's 7 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms. I think the average nights per stay. I did a live yesterday and I was dressing the switch up on a channel. And this is gonna be the first episode. Pretty much, this is the behind the scenes of me making the DI channel. And the DI channel is a luxury touring channel. I'm gonna be doing castles, I'm gonna be doing mansions, I'm gonna be doing multi-million-dollar homes, RVs. I might even do tiny homes as well. And then for this channel is everything luxury, but behind the scenes of how I'm making that channel. And then, like, for example, like I'm going to Rio or Brasilia. Once I get down to Brasilia, I'll touch down with my friend. She's a fashion model. I'll talk to her. We're gonna walk around and look at Oscar Niemeyer's buildings. And she may show me some of her favorite restaurants, right? And we're gonna actually showcase a luxury space. Pretty much this is gonna be kind of like a soundboard or a drawing board, scratching the surface on how I put all that together and showing the luxury side of spaces and showing the luxury side of cities. I'm gonna show you the luxury side of Brasilia, Rio, Bahia, Florianopolis. So I'm not saying you're gonna see me drive around in Ferraris, not yet, but initially on the first stint, you know, I'm not gonna be doing like 5-star fine dining, but it's not gonna be a budget type of thing. You know, I'm just gonna eat somewhere where I want to eat, but it's gonna be quite nice. The spaces are gonna be luxury though. You know, I may go to a place where I can find a tailored suit or one of the nicest restaurants. I remember when I went to Rio de Janeiro and I actually went on a date, and I went to this place called Rubiati's, and it's supposedly one of the nicest places in Rio, and I didn't know that. I thought it was normal. So for me, I think it's normal. For some locals, they think it's, you know, opulent, they think it's high scale. So that works. I mean, I think people tease me and they say I'm like, some of my audience think I'm bougie. I think I have a natural high taste, but it's not like I'm walking around and driving Maybachs, right? Let's be honest, right? So this is like humble beginnings. But this channel is to show all those things that go behind the scenes. Before you see a manicured video, me in a suit, you know, eloquent in my speech, getting my script out, and then all the sweeping shots of the space, and everything just comes together as a nice story. You have a nice backdrop with the views in the back, and then you have the drone shots in the beginning, and then you might have the nighttime shots at the end of what it looks like at night. And I might throw in and shoehorn some quick conversations with people. Maybe an architect that talked about the space, or a person that's a visitor. What do they think about the space? I'll also collaborate with other influencers and creators and celebrities and local celebrities, touring a space as a specialist, and then they're gonna be I guess a civilian. And I'm honored. I'll tell you right now, I started this idea a month ago, and the owner reached out to me 2 weeks ago. He said, I'll fly you out on my dime. You can stay in my spaces. You know, you help me sell these properties, get some butts in the rent in these villas, and it's a go. And I'm like, all right, that sounds perfect. So we'll see. I might be here for 2 weeks. I might be here for 3. We'll see how it goes. And then I'll be in the States after that. And then I'll be off to Brazil. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more about this space. And then I think on another episode, because I wanted to put all the episodes together, but I just want to get something out just to see what you guys think about it, so I can get some feedback. So this is gonna be the first episode 1, season 1 of DI. I call it DI. I was trying to come up with some clever ideas. You know, I know Austin was telling me about nomad capitalists. It's like live life like a king. I'm thinking about doing DI plus, maybe Isaac plus. I don't know. Guys, let me know what I should call this series. I can always change it in YouTube, right? And so you're gonna get all the behind the scenes. You're gonna get everything that's gonna be kind of like a travel video, but not. But it's gonna be focused, laser sharp focus on the luxury experience of that particular place. So I'm not gonna be showing slums or anything like that. And you know, I may shoehorn in those conversations where I may talk to someone and they from the favelas, but I have a friend, she's a model. I'd be like, what did you think about this particular space? She may be hanging out with me. I may have her get her commentary, but it's gonna be more about the actual architecture and the culture in that sense. So I hope you guys are gonna like this vlog. I'm not gonna try to do too much editing because I just wanted to shoot. Sometimes you think, shoot. I just wanna shoot it and not think at all and just put out a rough cut and get my bumps and bruises. And I know I'm gonna get crazy comments because that's the nature of the game, right? So I'm gonna show you the rest of the space, and then you guys let me know what you think about episode 1. All right.